We have represented hotel management companies and other companies in the hospitality industry for a very long time, since the inception of the firm. A lot of the work we do in the hospitality area is very similar to the work we do in the business law area. We work in terms of corporate structure. We work in terms of contract review and negotiation. We work in terms of resolving disputes between hotel managers and owners, and labor and employment, and everything we typically do with regard to business law. There are, however, nuances of hospitality law that we get involved with very regularly. One of the most frequent areas we get involved with in hospitality is receivership law. Some of our clients frequently take over distressed hotel properties. That often involves being appointed as receiver by courts all over the country. Typically, a lender on the project has asked a court to enter a receivership order, and we get involved at that level in terms of negotiating and interpreting the receivership order. Once the order is entered, we make sure that our clients are working with the lender and satisfying all of the lender's requirements. We make sure that the relationship between the lender and the court and the owner is proceeding smoothly, because frequently these receiverships come about at a time where that relationship has been very difficult. And we advise our client regarding what the requirements of the receivership order are to make sure they're navigating all of those requirements. In addition to receivership law, we also do a lot of work with franchise agreements. Very frequently, when our client is taking over a project, the hotel owner is not in compliance with the terms of the franchise agreement, and that frequently is what results in us taking over the property, because the franchisor wants to put in a competent management company. We work with our hotel management companies on licensing issues, which vary greatly depending on what jurisdiction we're in. Very frequently, that takes the form of working with them on liquor licenses. Every jurisdiction, every state, every county within a state has different requirements in terms of their liquor licenses, and we work with them in putting that in place, and where necessary, engaging local representation to navigate the client through the process. And finally, premises liability. We do a lot of work in premises liability, both in representing our hotel management company clients, and we work with insurance carriers whose primary insureds are hotel owners or hotel management companies. We have decades of experience in premises liability cases, and we work very regularly with clients in defending those cases and coordinating the defense of those cases with insurance companies. And we also do a lot of work with construction and renovation. Very frequently, our clients are taking over a project that needs substantial construction and renovation. They are effectively operating as construction manager as that renovation project proceeds, and we work with them, again, throughout the country on those projects as the renovation unfolds. Hospitality law has a lot of nuances, very similar to business law, but it also has a lot of unique provisions that we are very experienced in.